I want to show y'all a recipe that was sent to me from one of my guests that come into the restaurant. Her name is Carol Rudd. So she has sent me the recipe for Mae Dawson's Hoosier sugar cream pie. It's nothing but sweetened whipped cream, sugar, like 1 1/3 cups of sugar, and we're going to use about 3/4 of a cup of milk, and a little flour. So we're just going to give that a stir. People send me recipes all the time, and I can't tell you how much I love it. All right, now we're going to pour this into a 9-inch unbaked pie shell. Now you can make your own crust, or you can just use the frozen one like I'm doing. And because we're doing simple desserts today, I opted to go with the frozen crust because we want to make this quick and easy. All right, now I've got some butter here, and I'm just going to kind of pinch it up and just drop it all over the pie. I'm doing it just like Carol says she does it. And now I'm going to just grate it with a little nutmeg, and this almost makes it taste like an egg custard pie. There's nothing like fresh nutmeg. It's so much better than the ground kind that you buy at the store. All right, now I'm going to put this into a 450-degree oven, and I'm going to let it bake for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to turn the oven down to 350 and let it cook another 25 minutes. And it's going to be a little jiggly, so you'll want to be careful when you put it in your oven. Woo, you've got to have a steady hand. And in the meantime, I've already baked another one, and I've got it sitting right here, and it should be nice and cooled. It is. It's just a wee little bit warm, but not too much. I think we can go ahead and cut it. Now, I'd like to show y'all a little trick that I use when I'm cutting pies, because you know you can sometimes mess it up trying to get it out. So I'm going to show you how I like to get that very first piece out. But of course, if it messes up, that's all right too, because then that makes it legal to eat before the family gets to it. Now, some people like their pies cut in 1/8. Some people like their pies cut into 1/6. I don't have to tell you what we do at my house. So all I'm going to do with these scissors is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to snip right through that foil. So you can see that the pie just kind of slips away. And that makes it easy for me to just slip right in and lift out that piece of pie. Yum. It looks great, doesn't it? And you know, I don't even have any fresh whipped cream to serve on it. So you know what I think I'm going to do? I had some custard left over from those pears. I'm going to come over here, and I think I'm going to get just a little bit of that and get me a couple of cherries going here. We'll use a little piece of mint on it too, just to make me feel like I'm eating my vegetables, you know, and eating healthy. Look how pretty that looks. Oh, Carol, this looks so good. It's delicious. Coming up next, y'all, blueberry dumplings.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.